Marguerite Brigham up at the cottage after the solstice. What a blessing to be in nature, and especially one that's as pure as this, without a lot of humans, with only a few. The fewer humans that are around, the more pure the vibration is. Unpolluted in thoughts and actions. I think I want to talk to you about spiritual rewards never dry up. I was reconnected to the sacredness of Mother Nature, how to honor her in prayer and ceremony through the native path. And so the elder I worked with, Dave Krishan Jr., he did say when we did the very first ceremony, or I did, but many of us in Ontario, in 1995. And we went without food, and we were also cleansed and had endurance through sweat lodges, and got teachings around the sacred fire. So that's really where I was first began as a firekeeper, because we couldn't let the fire go out, so we took turns tending to it. And so he said to us that we will be rewarded for the prayers that we did, for the sacrifice. And there's a bird up there. Let me see if I can get it. It might not be that weekend, but we will be rewarded. And I've seen this over and over every time I've kind of stuck my neck out and was brave. It's mostly in nature, just having a beautiful love affair with nature and always being in the right place at the right time. And that happens more and more. But this beautiful place and the beautiful man who owns this place, and the connection to song, so many rewards have come out of a really hard path. So I'm going to be counting more spiritual rewards. One little cottage over there. I mean, you come up, there's one boat there, and he's not even going fast. Like, this is the weekend. There's like no traffic. So quiet. Yeah. Every one of us in this life has to walk through the fire. And then we come out to calm waters. And then we go through other ones. It's just the way of life. So don't ever give up. Please. Because if I would have given up I never would be at this blissed out place, literally and figuratively, in 2018. Summer of love. I've gone from meaning, or from ambition to meaning. The winds might not hear me. But I've been chasing magic. And it comes back chasing me. Who's desiring who? Big love. Glad I could share this beautiful, pure energy with you. Sending you so much love.